And welcome back, everybody, to another M07 Productions. Today I'm here with you, with Alex telling me I've wired this wrong.
It's not that you wired it wrong, it's that I put it in the wrong place. So I'm fixing my mistake.
I'm just going to delete what I have then. I'm going to put my data splitter back right here.
Yeah, don't
Where I
worry
had it
about
for the...
hooking anything up to the 3D connector.
Okay.
Yeah.
I left the... I'm gonna pre-tin the wires for you.
There. So all we have
And you
to
just need
do...
power.
Yeah, all we have to do is connect power to it. So that'll be what I need. See, we already have a branch up there that can come across here and connect to it. But first I got to hook the data wires up. Provided I know how to do this right, which I probably don't.
Whenever you hover over it, tells you what each axis is for whenever you hover over the hole.
Okay, yaw axis, pitch axis, roll axis. Oh.
What?
This fucker's backwards. God damn it. This is for roll. Okay, so roll can go right up here. Okay. Pitch.
Okay, so that engine connects to this back data port. So it's the lower front data port that Ford engine connects to.
Oop. I think I might have disconnected something from reality for... Oh, yeah, I did disconnect something. Whoops. Don't worry, it'll be fine. Okay, so this should, in theory, once we turn it on, make it so that that joystick should, in theory, make the ship turn. I do have to put 2 more RCS things on then, so that we can effectively turn in place. Now the real question is where to put them.
Okay, so that one's connected, and the other one connects to the roof. This fucking jetpack on the outer back connector.
Okay, Charlie, remind me.
Yeah.
Which is pitch and which is yaw when it comes to leaning forward and back?
Leaning forward and back is pitch, which is the middle one. Yaw is the one on the left, and
I don't need to know which one is... okay, so pitch minus... Okay, this one's pitch minus. This one will be pitch plus. Pitch plus. This one... Okay, yaw is when we... Okay, so which is if you're in the driver's seat, wanting you to roll left, or rather, turn leftwards. Is that? I know it's not roll, so it must be yaw, right?
Yeah, y'all is turning
Okay.
on a flat plane.
Okay, so that's yaw minus. This one needs to be yaw plus. Okay, that's yaw plus. And then, oh hell, how the hell am I going to do that one? Oh, I know. And then this one must be roll minus.
I do have all of this other fucking room. Why don't I just actually take advantage of all this other front room that I have now?
And this should be roll plus. I think. That's pitch forward, pitch back. Yeah? Yeah, that should be correct. Yeah.
Hmm?
Wait, no. I did do that wrong.
Alright, so I'm thinking everything else is wired in. Maybe. We just ain't got a window, so. Which is fine. Who needs a window at first, right?
No, we're gonna need a window. I'll handle that in a
Just for a
second.
test flight?
Just for a test flight, yeah, I'd say we definitely need a window.
Alright.
Yeah. Look, I'm not gonna say everything's gonna work correctly. Matter of fact, I'm 99.99999% sure everything is going to fail terribly. But we're gonna give this. The hell was that?
I accidentally pressed F. Oh, you're just gonna do straight up flat glass. Yeah, that works.
Yep. Better
That,
vision for us.
that.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, I'm not 100% sure I did this right, but we're gonna test it. Let me get up on the roof and strap myself in, because I get the feeling we're gonna need it. Okay, Charlie, are you ready for maiden? Actually, should we save this thing first?
Sure.
Yeah. How do we
That's
save it?
what, B? B, and then just hit save on the top one. Looks like it's already kind of got it.
Save. Selection.
I'm gonna create like a whole separate save. Is what I'm gonna do. Save everything from garage there. That way the autos, because there's an auto save, and then there's a you could whenever you press B, hit the plus, and you could save it as an individual blueprint without auto save. Know what I mean? Okay. Why are you whistling?
Oh no, I didn't do it right. Escape to cancel. Save. Selection. Oh, for escape, save, selection. Better have everything in this goddamn thing.
don't think the GPS is gonna work.
There we go.
All right, you ready?
No, I'm not ready. I have to get on the roof first. Okay, now I'm ready. All right, Charlie. Take us up.
Shut in the door. Did anything fall off? Yes, a lot of stuff has fallen off. You should come in.
Okay. Let's
And just
see.
no, don't leave so you can see what's broken.
What's broken?
Just go in and look at the console. It'll show you what's not working.
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry. Yeah, I forgot to. Yeah, let's revert.
Well,
Yeah,
that's why there ain't no fucking console there. I also saw something
yeah.
here that
Yeah,
don't look right.
I kind of accidentally sort of deleted that. Let me just put that back for you there. There you go. Good as new. Yeah, let's try that again, shall we?
Let me save. Here. All right.
Yeah, here. Hold
How
on.
does this
Yeah.
change? This wire here disconnected. Something broke again apparently.
What else broke?
Heard something else fall. I know this wire up here didn't work right, so I'm going to rewire it. Just kind of retell it what to do.
Okay, are we even in flight mode right now?
No, it took us out of it. Go with that. You ready?
Yeah. I think we're.
Console broke again.
How did it break? What? Do we just have to replace it with something other than glass?
Yeah, I don't think it could be glass because everything's falling off the glass, and this wiring is still broken again.
Okay. Hold on. Revert. Okay, that's fine. Broke the chair, unfortunately. I'll replace it. There. That ought to
Hopefully
fix
make
it.
that wire work. All right, I need to look to see what other wires don't actually connect correctly. I'm not going to weld that together. Now, I may have to actually weld that together. But I don't know if that'll stay like that. It should.
I think we'll be okay. What's been breaking?
This wire over here was breaking.
Wonder
Not
why.
now. I don't know. It could be how I connected it up. So whenever I start it, I'm gonna just go check all the wiring. Ready?
Nope, instantly broke.
What the fuck? Okay. Before we go to anything else, let's look around. Looks like things in there are working.
Why
This
is
wire's
there
all
a
one
splitter
piece.
here currently anyway? It seems like it's just breaking because it's not actually connected to anything.
See this break right here? That's broken. But in here. Surprisingly, all of this looks.
Yeah,
to
the
be in
camera.
one piece.
Okay. I know why all this shit's breaking. Hold on, let's revert.
Yep.
Okay, hold on. I know what's going on here.
Yeah, this splitter could go away because we don't have the camera there anymore.
Yeah, everything that's connected to something that isn't there breaks. So we just take all the excess wiring shit off.
Was it the camera wire that broke?
Apparently so, yeah.
I'm talking about on this side.
Yeah.
Okay, well then I'm not even worried about fixing it. I'm just remove the wire.
There we
Over
go.
there, you can really remove that entire splitter.
I fixed that whole splitter, yeah.
All right, ready?
Hold on. Let me get up to the roof first.
And do another save.
Yeah. Okay, let's see.
Didn't hear nothing fall.
Is everything still good in here? Oh, yeah, well, this still looks wired up real good. Guess because it's not made of glass, although that kind of defeats the purpose. Let me get wired onto the roof here. Okay,
What
I'm
are
on
the
the roof.
controls?
Okay, well, I'm guessing the left side's probably for thrust, so go ahead and just...
Well, I left the window. The window didn't come with us. I don't hear any up and down. Captain,
Okay, let's revert that flight. So, let's learn from our mistakes. So, remember how you just said we left the window?
yeah, let's try it again.
No. Okay, yeah, you know
I
what?
want to
Let
try
me...
the other controls.
Yeah, give it a shot.
So that's up.
Hey.
What, Phil?
Yeah, something did... we lost... Okay, stop. Okay, so we lost an RCS thing first. We definitely lost... Oh, God. Okay,
Your turning does not work right.
Charlie.
Oh.
So first, we dropped an engine. That was the first thing.
Inside.
And I think I know what was the problem with that. The second thing was... Charlie, you're not stuck. Charlie, you aren't stuck. Oh.
I really am stuck.
Maybe we need to reinforce the battery boxes a little bit. Maybe that's something we need to consider. But look at me. Look at me out here.
I think it's the area's too small. I think my head's knocking them off.
Look at me out here. Okay, so obviously all of this shit broke off the roof almost immediately. So if it was me, I would have been dead. But the first thing that fell off was an RCS, was our RCS plus or minus down here.
That's way over there. Shit.
Yes, it is, because you did a complete flip over. The moment you tried to do any pitch and yaw adjustments with that thing missing, it made the whole thing do a somersault. This engine just completely dropped off, and I think I know why. So let's revert. Yeah, like right away.
Turned it on?
Exit fly mode, yeah. Okay, so you're not going to like what I'm about to tell you.
What?
This shit needs to come off because I didn't actually fill in... Yeah, okay, that's what's wrong. Okay, you see this frame that isn't attached right here? We need a frame there.
You also have all this hole. You have this hole on all four sides.
Yes, exactly. So we need to fix that. Yeah. Okay. That's the first thing we're gonna do. So I'm gonna patch these holes back in, and then... Oh, okay, you got them already, I see. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now we'll just put the engines back exactly how they were. Okay. Next we'll have to look at this RCS thing down here because I didn't actually attach this thing. Yeah, it's not attached. I'm looking at it, it's not attached. God damn it. Okay. Yep. See that's your problem right there. So okay, now
what RCS thing?
I deleted it already. Let me put a new one. Let me put a new one down. There has to be one down here to control our pitch. Okay. I wish you hadn't have welded that, because I kind of needed to see through it. Can you unweld that? Okay.
Yeah.
Is that attached to the... No.
I don't even see it.
I haven't placed it yet. I'm trying to get a placement angle on it here.
You seek a crouch. No,
nope,
it's not that.
Yeah, no. Wait, seek and crouch? Oh, that's so helpful.
Yeah, to walk in this thing, you practically have to crouch.
Oh! Yeah, hold on. Yep. That'll work. Okay, now I need to find out where that damn... it's right here. Okay, hold on. Let me put that away. Go up to the roof and look at the knob of the one I have placed on the roof. Tell me which I have it on.
The knob is on the inside.
No, Charlie. The knob on the roof, the one I have on the roof, there's a tiny knob on the side of it. I want you to put your mouse over it and tell me what it has labeled as.
You can label these?
There's a tiny, tiny knob on the side of the RCS unit on the roof.
Uh-huh.
What is it labeled as?
I don't see a label as a thing.
Hold it over the knob. Hold your reticle over the knob.
Okay, roll minus. Okay, I have to have nothing in my hand to do that.
Roll minus. Okay, so this one will be roll plus, I think. So roll does a somersault for us, apparently. Okay, next. All this shit fell off the roof almost immediately. So what could we do about that?
Not have it up here, honestly.
Yeah, no. No, that's the quitter option.
I mean, it's gonna fall off because of wind force.
Well, okay, we'll see about that. We'll see. In the meantime, let me just do a little Charlie proofing. And then I'll probably also want to...
I don't actually have reverse on this thing, I just have forward.
Well, you have one engine facing... Well, actually, no, you're right. You have two engines facing forward. God damn it. Okay, so in theory...
Believe it or not, I actually think these are backwards as well. But I'm not gonna worry about that.
Well, backwards is forwards, and forwards is opposite, actually, so we'll be okay. Let me just finish welding all this shit together up here to ensure I don't go...
You can hold right click and just kind of move. There. You're just gonna die from an ice cream cooler now. Ready?
1 second.
Alright, it sounds good to me.
Okay, Charlie, get ready for our maiden voyage. Take us up, Charlie. Did something break immediately?
With the window. Well, we lost something. I saw it fall.
Okay, Charlie. I'm reverting. Yeah, I forgot. I didn't fix the window. Yeah, I forgot. Let me put that away. Yeah, I forgot there was something very important that I did not do about the window. And it is my fault, and I am sorry that you are so stupid and ugly. I know that apology has been a long time coming, that you've really been waiting to hear it for many years.
Are you gonna put the fucking window in or not?
No, not really. No. I'm not doing that shit. No, I'm kidding. Give me a moment. Yeah, I think the reason why is that I just put a solid slab of glass up to it and didn't actually attach it to anything.
Yeah, well, that and so there's windows with frames in them. I think you've got to use a framed window.
Yeah.
And then the solid slabs go in the middle of glass already.
Oh, sorry.
Gosh darn it.
Oh. God damn it, Charlie, that's not... Well, no, that is. And then... Yep. Okay, hold on. Let me put this away and take my position back on the roof. Okay, let's try this again.
Okay. Yeah, engines are definitely backwards.
How can you tell?
Hop out of your chair and just look at them. Forward thrusting engines, I mean. They'll be fine.
Yeah, they'll be fine, I'm sure. Anyway, we're go for liftoff.
It's at 22% lift.
And we're going strong. This thing has more than enough upward lift. Okay, now what are you doing?
Why does well, I was trying to tilt down or tilt up, but no, both of them push me backwards.
Okay, then. Apparently
And
I
I think
didn't do...
that did as well.
Uh,
Oh, fuck it. Go into space! I don't know where we went at
hit
all.
R, please.
Where
Okay,
did we go?
so it's quite clear I fucked something up here. So, did you
Uh,
lean for... so what were you doing? Come in here and show me on the joystick exactly what you were doing.
First I did this. Nope. First I did was this.
Okay, so that's
And
pitching
then I
forward,
did
right?
this.
Okay, so
Yeah,
that's
and so
pitching
does
back.
this.
So we need to look at pitch. Where's our pitch?
Uh,
Okay, well, this is yaw. Pitch should be up, Charlie. Pitch should be pitch plus. So this, in theory, should thrust when you... Wait a minute. If you're leaning... Oh, I've got him backwards. Okay, don't worry. I'll fix it. Pitch
yeah, and I couldn't see
minus.
what
The
I
other
couldn't see
one
what turning
goes...
left and right did.
The other one goes pitch plus, yeah.
I couldn't see what turning left and right did, unfortunately.
Okay. Okay, so turning left and right. Now that one's going to be more difficult here. So yaw plus and yaw minus isn't quite as obvious here. So let's try it this time here. Let me get in my chair. Okay. So why don't you try full reverse on this one instead?
Because I actually got the wrong joystick for reverse.
Okay, then you might need to rewire that. But let's give it a shot. Okay, so...
Okay, so this is me pulling it. I don't know why it went down. Okay.
Okay, let's revert to launch. Okay. What did you do that time?
I pulled it to the right, and I'm not really sure what it did. And then I tried to pull it to the left, but I'm not sure what it did there either.
Okay, then. So
I
pulling
couldn't
it to...
tell.
Okay, so pulling it to the right or left, that should activate our roll.
I'm trying to turn left and right.
You're trying to turn left and right. Well, then that would be yaw. Yaw minus would activate the rocket on this side, which means if you're turning it plus, it should, in theory, activate the engine on the right side of the ship. So if you... Hold on. So if I did it like this, it should, in theory, activate the engine on the left side of the ship.
Here. Let's do this. Let's do this. All right. So we're going to enter flight mode, and you're just going to turn the joystick.
Okay.
Because I should be able to see which one's shooting which way.
Okay. So which side of the ship are you on?
I'm on the
left
this
side. You're on my left. Okay. So
yeah.
Does this do anything?
Yeah, that activates the top one, and that's it. That's
okay.
the
What's this
bottom
one doing?
one?
Bottom.
Oh no. Yeah.
Okay. What about this?
That's the front bottom. I'm looking. That's the back bottom and back top again.
Okay. Okay, so I'm pulling it full to the right with zero other things.
That is the back bottom.
I'm sorry, are you kidding me? The back bottom one?
Yeah, I haven't seen the side ones turn on once.
Okay, let me get out of this chair. Hold on. I gotta see
here.
this. When you say back bottom, show me the one. Show me the one.
Alright. This is straight to my right.
Okay, stop. You told me wrong.
Back bottom, wasn't it? Or was it back top that time?
Okay. You said so hard to the right.
Back
means,
bottom, I mean this one down here.
Okay, hard to the right and hard to the left. That's roll. That's roll. I thought this was pitch we were dealing with here. This is roll.
Okay, and this right here is hard left.
Hard left? Okay, hard left should not be on the roof.
All right,
Okay,
and this is
so
hard. This is hard forward,
yeah, okay.
and this is hard back.
Okay, that's weird.
And you know what else it is?
What? The end of the
The end
episode?
of an episode. Yep.
Oh my god.
I know, we're making no progress in these 30-minute episodes.
Okay, here. Let's end flight mode. Okay, so look, we'll do a little tinkering, and then until next time, this has been an MO7 production. I've been Marretti, he's been Charlie, and this ship has been a piece of shit. Bye.
Bye.